Well, the backlash against Keir Starmer and this Labour government continues to grow, and why wouldn't it? When you look across the board, as I'm going to demonstrate in this video, this Labour government has basically failed at everything. And you can see here the verdict from voters in this country now, a Reform extending their lead, a 10-point lead now over Labour, who are down 3 points. And, you just go through what we've seen from this government, not talk what's actually happened. They talked about cutting energy bills. Of course, we have this net zero insanity that means, you can see it all, folks, people's energy bills, both personally and for businesses, are increasing. Oh, and surprise, surprise, we're now going to see further increases under net zero. You also had talk, didn't you, of smash the gangs. You don't hear Keir Starmer say that much anymore, do you? Little surprise when this Labour government, just like the Tories, seem to think it's acceptable for close to 1,000 people more to cross between Friday and Monday. Absolutely ludicrous there. 14 boats. They're still being allowed to go on. And you can see now, you're looking at close to 8,500 people, which is lower than at this point last year. But don't let that fool you, because if you look at 2022, there are actually fewer crossings than so far in that year than there have been in this year, and you ended up with over 45,000 people crossing. So Labour, just like the Tories, not going to stop this. And when it comes to legal net migration, the numbers still utterly ludicrous and out of control. And you can see that almost half of the new homes built since this government took office have been cancelled out by the housing demand created by mass migration into the country. So it is a shocking legacy. You can see they're just complete and utter failure across the board. As ever though, guys, I will keep bringing you all the latest on this and much more. If you'd like to support the channel, do hit the join button or see the membership link in the top pinned comment. And of course, as ever, cheers for watching.